This course will cover the purpose of the investigator's brochure and how it impacts the ongoing relationship with your investigator, when the investigator's brochure is required. The bulk of the presentation is dedicated to the content and level of detail the investigator brochure must exhibit. This will include discussion on the role of instructions for use and product training, balancing the information within this document and protecting a company's intellectual property, how risk management pulls investigational device information and preclinical clinical data together to provide a compelling argument to the investigator as to the safety of the investigational device. The requirement of keeping the investigator brochure current and how a good document control system and risk management system allows you to accomplish this requirement. Terminology used in the investigator brochure may be familiar to you. We will revisit key terminology. An investigator brochure is required for any medical device undergoing a clinical investigation complying with the EU Harmonized Standard, EN ISO 14155. What is also noteworthy is the inclusion of the phrase good clinical practices. This document was developed with the intention of capturing good clinical practices that the Food and Drug Administration currently publishes in its guidance document, Guidance for Industry, Good Clinical Practice, Consolidated Guidance. However, one should recognize that the FDA document was not developed with any consideration for medical device studies. The guidance was developed for pharmaceutical and biologics-based clinical studies and was authored by the Center for Drug Evaluation and Research, CDER, and the Center for Biologics Evaluation and Research, CBER. Thus, the draft international standard plays an important role in bringing together GCPs and medical device clinical study standards.